In this video you see, step by step, how to form an LLC in Hawaii yourself, directly on the official state portal. The state filing fee is $50, and the whole process takes about 15 minutes. No formation service required. Hawaii files its business registrations through Hawaii Business Express, run by the state's Business Registration Division. You need a free My Hawaii account to file, and creating one requires a two-factor login method, either a U.S. phone number or an authenticator app. Once you are signed in, choose Start a New Business, say that you are registering a new business based in Hawaii, and pick Limited Liability Company as the structure. That opens Form LLC 1, the Articles of Organization, as a single page. Section 1 is the name, and Hawaii requires it to contain the words Limited Liability Company or Limited Liability Law Company, or an abbreviation such as LLC or L.L.C. Type your chosen name here. Section 2 is the mailing address of your principal office, the main place your business operates from. Enter a real number and street, the city, and the postal code. The country defaults to the United States and the state to Hawaii. Just below, Hawaii offers a checkbox that says the business address is the same as the mailing address. For most new companies these two are identical, so leaving that box ticked saves you typing the same address twice. A post office box on its own is not enough here. Section 3 is the registered agent, and it is the most important choice on the form. The agent is the official contact that receives legal documents for your company, and Hawaii requires that agent to keep a physical business address in the state. Hawaii lets the agent be an individual who lives in Hawaii, a Hawaii entity, or a foreign entity authorized here, but it will not let your new company be its own agent. If you are forming this company from outside Hawaii, and especially from outside the United States, you will almost always hire a commercial registered agent service. So choose entity, enter the service's official business name and the state where it is formed, and give its Hawaii street address. You put your own agent service here. Section 4 is the organizers. An organizer is simply whoever prepares and submits these articles of organization, and it does not have to be an owner. For most people forming their own company, that is you. Choose individual, enter your first and last name, and give your address. If it matches the mailing address you already entered, the Same as Mailing Address button fills it in for you. You can add more than one organizer with the Add Organizer button, but a single organizer is completely normal. Two quick choices come next. Section 5 is the period of duration. Ad will means the company continues indefinitely until you decide to dissolve it, which is what almost everyone wants. The alternative sets a fixed end date. Section 6 is management. A member-managed company is run by its owners directly, while a manager-managed company puts named managers in charge. Small owner-operated companies are usually member-managed, so that is the option we choose here. Because we chose member-managed, Hawaii now asks you to list the initial members, the owners of the company. Choose individual, enter the member's name, and give an address, again with the Same as Mailing Address shortcut if it is the same. For a single owner company there is just one member, which is you. If several people own the business together, the Add Member button lets you list each of them. Section 7 is the liability of members, and the wording matters. The standard choice, and the one that protects you, is that the members shall not be liable for the debts, obligations, and liabilities of the company. That is the whole point of a limited liability company. Your personal assets stay separate from the business. The other two options deliberately take on liability, which almost no one wants, so leave the first option selected unless you have specific legal advice to do otherwise. The last part is the signature, and this is where the walkthrough stops. Hawaii asks you to certify, under the penalties of the state's Limited Liability Company Act, that you have read the statements and are authorized to sign, then to choose whether you are signing as an individual or an entity, pick your name, and type it as your signature. Do that only when everything above is correct. The buttons at the bottom are Review and Purchase, Save Draft, Cancel, and Back. Save Draft keeps your work so you can return from my dashboard. Review and Purchase takes you to the summary and then to payment. The state filing fee is $50, plus a $1 state archive fee, paid by card on that final screen. We stop before signing and before review and purchase, so nothing is filed and nothing is charged. Once you complete that last step, your Hawaii LLC exists. That was the complete filing. Hawaii then asks every LLC for an annual report. The fee is $15, and it is due during the calendar quarter that contains the anniversary of your registration. If you let it lapse, the state can eventually dissolve your company. For free templates, your operating agreement, EIN guidance, and optional services, visit freellc.us. The link is in the description.